Amory, where's the letter B? Can you find it for mommy?
Mama, this one?
Where's the B? B for butterfly.
Here.
Okay, give it to me. Give me the card.
Here.
Okay. Where is the letter H?
Here.
Okay, can you give me the card? Where is the letter I?
No. Here.
Can you give it to me? Where's the letter A?
Here it is.
Alright. Can you give it to mommy? Where's the letter F? Where's the letter J? No, that's G. Where's J? Yeah. There, you found it. Where's the letter K? Oh. Where's the letter E?
Here.
No, look at that letter. What letter is that? Where's the letter E? Where's the letter M? Where's M?
It's okay.
Huh? No, I don't have M yet. Look at those cards on your hand. Which one is the letter M? Oh, there. Okay, give me the letter L. Thank you. And M. Where's the letter C? Thank you. Where's the letter D? Thank you. D is for?
Green duck.
Duck. Where's the letter G?